Gonna clean the face.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi guys, so ayan. Inaano natin yung face ni Mama.
He got us face, so we're gonna use this.
So ito yung gamit ko guys. Ayan, ito yung gamit natin
Ako,
para pagawin.
I'm the cleaner of the face.
Pataas guys para
Yup.
ano, para hindi lumalaw yung
Face. It's not. I'm the cleaner of the face. The cleaner. Oh.
Akin na.
Uy!
Wait lang. Ayan guys, pimple
Hey,
natin.
I need it.
Mom, matutuyo yan.
Ano, tula.
Para siyang jelly guys, oh. Para siyang jelly.
It smells like strawberry.
Yes, strawberry talaga po.
Because Pui is the one who buy
Guys,
it.
tignan nyo to guys. Di ko alam para saan to eh. Ayan na. Try natin rin.
I think it's for your
Kay
face.
baby na lang to guys.
It smells like strawberry.
Ayan guys, oh.
It smells like strawberry.
Try ko nga guys. Tignan nyo guys. Hindi kasi sa akin yung mata guys.
only for girls and boys. Or they're grown-ups.
Guys.
You gotta clean in the place.
So guys, mamaya guys ha, paan naman kung natapos dito. Tapos,
You
bago
mean bago
guys
pa?
tanggalin to,
And we're gonna
hindi
take
muna
it
to
out.
tatanggalin guys. What?
Dito ako on the face. Cleaning up the face. Like, not basa. I'm gonna stay here so I can never basa Mama's face. I'm gonna put this on his face.
Basa na yung book
Say
na.
bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Follow, sir.
Basa.